Kaya fica lá vendo. Them eat grass. And I'm gonna try to throw it inside so they can eat. But you saw galinha. This is like a chicken. I don't know what it is. But, see, when I drop it, then get it and see, then again and eat it. That side. See, then don't share them once it looks for some food. See them eat so fast. He got it first. I got some more for them. Look. Them like, I'm gonna go see that. Hey, look at that one. Hey, look, I think he's having like a baby here. I'm gonna get a little bit of food and throw it. Oh, just one?
Manu.
Hey, let's see this one. Oh, there's no more food in them. Hey, look at these ones. Oh, there are any more. Oh, look it. Look it, I'm hitting him. Oh, he looks so good. Let's fit them up. Let's get some food. Try it. The damn coin. Oh, we have to add some coins. Look at this. Oh, he wants to negócio aqui embaixo. Pescoço, ó. Eles são muito bonitos. Mas tem que ter esse daqui. Ah, não dá pra pegar um deles assim com fácil? Não dá? Não tinha. Olha aí, tem uma coisa aí em cima. Mateus, vem aqui. Hi. Hi, guys. Look at this book. Here's a secret room under here. Look, I'm gonna get down here. Oh, we're gonna get down from here. Come here. This is a blue slide, and come up here. And there's a ladder. And look it. You can see everything from here. See the whole park. And how you get jump, I'm just going to jump. Woo! And I'm going to get down for 1 minute. How do you know? Come here. There's a secret room under here. And you can see everything from under here. It looks like a little bit dark, but it's fun. Hey, look, there's a ladder here. Nice. Look at this. You hear that? Woo! That's my brother. And that's my brother here. Whoa, what's the big key? Oh, very little there. Look, there's a chair. And there's a bigger chair. And here. Hey, look, hey, I'm here. And let's get up here. And look.